What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my typical yard work day. Also, I found this amazing surprise in my garage, so stay tuned to find out what this surprise is. Alright, so I just got this new mower and weed whacker. So I'm about to mow the grass. As you can see, it has grown very tall since we've had a lot of rain. And I'm also going to be mulching these two trees out here. Alright, so before I can do anything, I obviously have to read the manuals because I have no idea how to use this lawnmower or the weed whacker. The weed whacker is battery operated, so I have to read how long to charge the battery and how long I can use it outside for and anything else that might be important information, as well as reading the manual for the mower and know how much oil to put in it, how much gas to put in it, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and read both these manuals and get the battery set up, and then we'll get started mowing. So I thought I would show you what everything looks like when it comes out of the package. You get your cord, you get your battery holder, and all your manuals. The grass is very tall and the weeds are growing uncontrollably, so today I will only be mowing the grass. Okay, so I am not able to weed whack today because the battery has to charge for 24 hours. So tomorrow around noon I will be able to do that. So I don't really have to do anything with the weed whacker. The only thing I had to do was plug it in, put the battery on the charger the correct way, and then put it in the outlet. For the lawnmower, the oil was already in it. They did it at the store, and we just put gas in it, which goes right here, and then before you start the lawnmower, you just have to push in this red button twice to get the air in so that you can use this thing and pull to start it. And then make sure that you push this in at the same time and pull this to start it. Also, before mowing, you want to adjust these things right here so that it raises the mower, and you can choose how high you want your grass, if you want it an inch or if you want it a quarter of an inch. That's pretty low, but whatever length you would want it, this is how you would adjust it right here. And then also, because I am not using a bag to pick up the grass, I am going to put this on here so that the grass can come out of there. Alright, so this wasn't exactly easy to get on, trying to do it one-handed, but if I can show it, these little grooves needs to go in there. Yay, how exciting! The lawn is now mowed and it looks 100% times better. Now I will be raking the grass that went in the neighbor's yard. I do this to be respectful. They always leave our yard looking really nice when they're finished mowing their yard. And also because I was so excited to get started mowing, I totally forgot to pick up the yard completely. So I also ended up raking all the leaves and threw away the trash that was in the wheelbarrow next to the trash cans, and put the fence that is used to hide the garbage cans, I put that back in the garage. I ended up having to wait a week to do any yard work because it rained so much. And as you can see, I got done just in time because it's pouring down raining. But I got everything accomplished today with mowing, weed whacking, mulching, and putting a few yard decorations out. Remember in the beginning when I had a surprise to tell you? Well, I happened to be in the garage planning my next video, and all of a sudden I looked over near all of my planting supplies and I saw a bunch of green and white stuff. I was really confused at first, and then I started getting really excited. So last year, in October, I put everything away for winter and totally thinking that everything had completely died because it looked all brown and everything. And I was thinking that I had to start over fresh with new flowers and herbs and everything. Well, at the bottom of the wagon was a perennial, and it had grown from the bottom, peeking out about 2 inches from the top, and it was growing around everything that was laying on top of it. This is so incredible how this lily survived all the way through winter in the dark and absolutely getting no water. I put it out on my porch, and about a week later, it looks really healthy. Of course, I have to take off a couple of the stems, but other than that, it looks really amazing. So this surprise was just completely awesome to me. Now, speaking of surprises and videos, I am actually surprising my boyfriend with a man cave, so-called, in the garage. So watch out for this video because it will include a hot tub. So thank you everyone for watching. Click the bell if you want to see what this video will include with the hot tub. You don't want to miss it. Thank you guys and have a wonderful week. Bye.